he and she. Hello kids. Remember, in our last lesson, we learnt all about this and that? Great job! Today, we are going to learn two new very important words, he and she. Are you ready? Let's learn about them one by one. He is used for males. Whenever we talk about a boy or a man, we use he. For example, he is a boy. He is a man. He is my grandfather. He is a student. She is used for females. Whenever we talk about a girl or a woman, we use she. For example, she is a teacher. She is a student. She is a doctor. She is playing on the ground. Now you know how to use he and she. Keep practicing. In the next chapter, we will learn about magic E. See you next time.